What do you do with leftover turkey stuffing or dressing, as the case may be? I've got a tip for you today. Let's get started. First, I've got about 2 cups of cornbread dressing. Now this will also work with regular bread stuffing. I'm gonna put that into a bowl here. And I've got 1 egg. I'm just gonna whisk that up real quick. Drop it in. Start mixing this together. Now it might require just a little extra moisture in the form of, say, chicken broth stock. It might require a spoon to kind of help break it up a little bit. A little bit more stock. Now this is looking pretty good right in here. This is about the consistency you're gonna want it. Now I have to give credit where credit is due. I have never actually made this before, but I was wondering what to be doing for this week's video, and I just happened to have the TV on in the background, and I saw this on a Sunday morning program, and it looked really slick. Get your waffle maker out. I've had this preheating. Get that all spread out, closed up, and we're gonna let that cook for about 5 minutes or so until it's kind of crispy. Okay, they just came off the waffle iron, and I have to admit, they're not the prettiest looking waffles, but I'm gonna put that on me, not the recipe. I'm not used to making waffles on this particular waffle iron. I usually use it as a griddle or a grill. I didn't know exactly what heat setting to have it on. I'm sure most waffle irons just have a heat setting. And so it took me a little bit longer than it should have. I probably added a little bit more moisture to the mixture than I should have. But overall, I did get the waffles out. They are a little crispy on the outside. Here's some ideas on how to serve them. We can do these sweet or we can do those savory. First off, I have some of the cranberry relish. I'm just gonna scatter that around. That's one idea. Or sprinkle a little honey. Now on the show, they used hot honey. I don't happen to have any hot honey, but we'll see how this just regular honey works out. Now you probably also have some leftover turkey. So I have some leftover turkey that I'm gonna spread out here, because obviously turkey and dressing are perfect together, and a little bit of extra gravy. Let's see how it all turns out. First, just the gravy. It's like being at Thanksgiving all over again. Now with a little bit of turkey on there. Takes me back to a Thanksgiving table. How about with the honey? This is like kind of surprising, but very good with the honey and with the cranberry orange relish. That is phenomenal. These are all great choices. 4 different ways to serve it. You can have it, if you had a lot of dressing, a different meal every single time. You're gonna love this, y'all. Play around with your waffle maker, just like I did. Figure out how to make it come out the right consistency. But with a little bit of practice, these will be awesome. Any time of the year, actually. So with that said, I will catch y'all the next time. Bye-bye.